Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add shipping cost on Shopify. It's really easy to do. So all you want to do is go down to settings once you're logged into your Shopify store, and then just go over to the shipping and delivery settings. Now, some people might have some presets here if it's a brand new store, but if you already have some shipping rates already put on, all you want to do is go to manage rates. And then once you're under manage rates, it's going to show you what shipping information you have set up. So if you're, again, like if your store is new, it might look a bit different here. You might have multiple things here. So you can delete some of them if you don't want all those. I just have mine all organized into one area here. But all you want to do is just click on the three dots beside the ones you want to change. And then you click on edit zone. And then here you'll be able to search for specific countries if you would like to, or regions. But depending how much countries you want to add, it might be easier to scroll through and just click on the continents. Because if you scroll through, you'll be able to click on the continents. But for some reason, when you search the continents, it doesn't work. But yeah, you just want to add the places that you want to add to your shipping. Let's just say, for example, I wanted to do Asia. And I can scroll through and add Europe as well if I wanted to. Just like this. And you can add those countries. But yeah, it's really easy. Once you're done adding the countries you want to add, just click on done. And then you'll see the options for the rates that you have for speeds and stuff like that here, or different size packages. So what you want to do to edit these is you just want to click on the three dots beside the one that you want to change, and then just click on edit rate. And then you can go ahead and change the rate name here, the price, and then put a minimum and maximum weight if you have that issue with your store. But once you're done adjusting the price and the name, you click on done there as well. And then all you have to do when you're done changing everything that you would like here, you just want to click save at the top, and then this will update your shipping settings for your store. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to do this. If you are looking for more Shopify tips and tricks, I do have a playlist down in the description as well as the comments. You can go check those out. Anyhow, I hope you liked this video. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.